A war does not end when the fighting stops. For decades, unexploded ordnance and landmines continue to claim lives. Detecting these hidden threats is complex, costly, and dangerous. Drones offer a safer and more cost-effective solution than traditional methods. Conventional techniques rely on ground-penetrating radar, which detects buried objects by analyzing radar echoes. However, targets are illuminated only briefly, and the area must be scanned section by section, making the process slow and resource-intensive. Using multiple drones is a promising idea, but when each drone operates independently, the benefits remain limited. The PNRR Terrain project explores a more effective approach where multiple drones work together to illuminate and scan large areas of land with wide-beam, wideband antennas. In this way, subsurface targets can be observed for longer periods and from multiple angles, enabling the joint processing of richer datasets. A lightweight, wide-beam, wideband antenna has been designed and tested. The received signals are combined and elaborated through novel software to generate the subsurface image. The proposed solution has been tested in realistic scenarios to assess the effectiveness of the hardware-software integration. The result is a proof-of-concept system that opens new perspectives for a fast, safe, and cost-effective way to detect what lies beneath the ground and what war leaves behind. Terrain, looking beneath the ground to protect lives from the terrible legacies of the war.